there's something I don't really like in the pharma industry, which is we tend to over victimize the patients, and we
Mm.
tend to forget that they are people, and then we just see them as patients. Whenever I remember when I first joined patient marketing or patient experience, a lot of people were asking me for the videos of explaining the unmet need and showing the patient suffering. It could be either showing the patient suffering and talking about the burden of the disease,
Mm-hmm.
and then on the other side it would be like happy patients. I would have like those two extremes, and I was like, you are
Yeah,
so to
before
me,
after.
yeah, and I was like, this is not how this they are people. They're not patients. But just because they
Yes.
have a disease, that doesn't mean that they are the same person, that they behave the same, or that they have the same interests, right? So they only have a common disease. So
Mm.
I remember when I saw the first research of those patients that I realized that these patients lack a lot of empathy because they're
Mm.
craving for the empathy because in general society tends to have a stigma on those patients, tends to put a
Yes.
stigma on the patient, even in some cases even the doctors. And I can tell you when I mentioned this in front of doctors, they got really angry with me
Mm-hmm.
because they were like, what do you mean we don't have empathy? We are doctors, that's why we're doing
Yeah.
this. But it truly is when the patients tell you the doctor is not listening to me.